Woke up Sunday morning with no way to hold my head, it didn't hurt. And the beer I had for breakfast wasn't bad, so I had one more for dessert. Then I fumbled through my closet for my clothing, found my cleaner's dirty shirt. And I washed my face and combed my hair and stumbled down the stairs to meet the day. Smoked my plant the night before and cigarettes and songs that I've been picking. And I left my furs and watched a little boy cussing at the cat he was kicking. And I crossed the empty street and caught the Sunday smell of someone's frying chicken. It took me back to something that I lost somewhere somehow along the way. On a Sunday morning sidewalk, wishing, Lord, that I was stoned. 'Cause there's something in a Sunday that makes a body feel alone. And there's nothing short of dying, I was lonesome as the sun. Of the sleeping city sidewalk, and Sunday morning coming down. In the park I saw a daddy with a laughing little girl that he was swinging. And I stopped beside the Sunday school and listened to the songs they were singing. And I headed back for home, and somewhere far away a lonely bell was ringing. And it echoed through the canyons like a disappearing dreams of yesterday. On a Sunday morning sidewalk, wishing, Lord, I was stoned. 'Cause there's something in a Sunday that makes a body feel alone. And there's nothing short of dying, I was lonesome as the sound of the sleeping city sidewalk, and Sunday morning coming down. Ooh. Like a sleeping city sidewalk, and